I want something light, so I'm making a mango lime tart. So I'm first gonna make the crust. And I have here 1.5 cups of crumbled until very fine Maria cookies. You know the Maria cookies, and if you don't find them, you can use graham crackers. 1/2 cup of unsalted butter that I already melted, 1/4 cup sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt to balance all the flavors and to make the sweet shine even more. And then we're just gonna mix these. It looks a little bit dry now, but once I turn it onto the tart pan, you're gonna see that it's not so dry. It's gonna harden when I bake it in the oven right now, but when you bite it, it breaks into tiny little crumbles. And it's gonna have these very soft, creamy tart on top, so the combination is gonna be really delightful. So I'm putting it in the oven, which is at 350, anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes, just until it starts to brown on top. Now I'm gonna make the filling of the tart. And it's gonna have mango, and this is my favorite mango. These mangoes are called ataulfo in Mexico, but they also go by champagne or sweet mangoes. And I love these mangoes because they're not fibrous at all. They're much more meatier. And for some reason, I feel like the contrast between tart and sweet that the mango inherently has, it's even stronger in these kind of mangoes. Gorgeous! You don't want to just cut the cheeks and throw away the pit. Look at what you would be wasting. I need about 1/3 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then the tart of the mango is gonna go with the tart of the lime, and we're pureeing it together. Now I'm gonna go get my crust. Now I'm gonna let it cool. And it smells like dessert already. It smells so delicious, like buttery and Maria cookie-y. And now I'm adding a can of sweetened condensed milk, and then 1/4 cup of sugar, 3 egg yolks, which is gonna make it even more creamy. And then we're gonna puree these until completely smooth. And this is my tart filling, which was so easy to do. Look at the color. It is so happy. So now spreading it a little, and then I'm gonna put it back in the oven, which is still at 350, anywhere from 25 to 30 minutes, just until it's set. I'm going to make the most delicious and tropical coconut whipped cream to top that mango lime tart. It's gonna be such a delicious combination. I have 1/4 cup of cream of coconut, and I'm gonna temper it with just a couple of tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. And I wanna do this as a first step because I don't want the whipped cream to have clumps of the cream of coconut. What the cream of coconut is gonna do to that whipped cream is not only is it gonna give it a delicious tropical beachy taste, but it will also stabilize the whipped cream. I'm gonna add the rest of the whipped cream, and I'm gonna use a hand mixer. I'm gonna whip it until it holds nice and steady stiff peaks. I'm giving it all the speed it's got. Let's see. I think that's good. See, it's holding its peaks. Now I'm gonna put it in the fridge so that it will stay nice and cold. My tart has been in the oven for 20 minutes, so I'm gonna take it out so it can cool a little bit. Then it's gonna go in the fridge for about an hour so it can be really nice and chilled. So the tart and the cream are both chilled. I'm gonna add the coconut whipped cream right on top. And these colors are making me so happy. Look at how gorgeous this is. Mmm. Mmm. It is so light and refreshing.